Hey, look, I got some good news and I got some bad news. All right. The good news is there are some ways to make guaranteed money online, right? That's like, and when I'm talking about guaranteed, I'm talking guaranteed. If you do this, you're going to get money. Now, here comes the bad news. All right. Brace yourself. The bad news is you're not going to make the money that you probably are trying to make when it comes to making money online. So what I mean by that is this. If you want guaranteed money, there's things you can do. There's sites out there like, get paid to sites, right? Like a site like Slice the Pie, who I've done many videos on in the past, right? This is a website you can sign up. You fill out your little profile and you actually get paid for writing short music reviews. All right, this site's been around several years. You can sign up with it today. I even put a link below if you want to check it out, right? And they even added where you can even, review clothes and review, other things now. But primarily, you get paid for writing short reviews. Now, this is guaranteed money, right? But here's the thing. For every review you write, you get anywhere from 5 to like 20 cents. That's right. 5 to 20 cents. I know you're about to be like, oh, he about to say dollars. No, right? So yes, you can make money. And if you write that review and it get approved, you can sit there all day and just write reviews. I don't know if all day, but you can write, like, if you can, 2-3 hours, you can go straight. Keep on writing reviews and you earn money. Guaranteed. But at the end of that, 2-3 hours that you grind it, when you check that damn Slice the Pie account, it's probably gonna say something like, let me see, $1 maybe. You know what I'm saying? Like, maybe. So you gotta like realize, okay, that's guaranteed money. Now there's other get paid to sites out there where it's pretty much guaranteed money. Sites like Inbox Dollars, right? Where you sign up, you create a free account, and you go in there and you get paid for clicking on emails. They'll send you emails, you click on it, you earn money, baby. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. All right. And the problem with that is you're looking at about 1 cent, maybe 2 cents every time you click an email open. All right. Then you could get paid for, taking short surveys inside the platform. Guaranteed. There damn near might be a survey every day you can check out, right? Well, how much you gonna get? Maybe $1. Maybe two. Maybe $2 if you're lucky, right? But it's guaranteed money. So, like, and there's tons of sites like that. All you do is just type in, go to Google, type in get paid to sites. You can go to Inbox Dollars. You can go to Slice the Pie. What's the other one? I forget. All right, but just Google them. That's guaranteed money. The problem is, it's shit money, right? That's money that at the end of the month, you might got $20, $30 that you can, do whatever. But if you're watching this video, you ain't watching it to earn $5 and $10 a month, $30 a month, I'm sure, right? You're most likely on that, at least bare minimum, you trying to make an extra $500 a month, right? Or on upwards of, you trying to get that 6 figures and 7 figures and you trying to really do it, right? Now, the things that it's going to take to get that kind of money, there is no guarantee to it. And it's the realest thing I can tell you. All right. If you on that, I want to work when I want. I'm an entrepreneur. I want to do what I want. Right. You got to understand there's no guaranteed income. There, you know what I'm saying? You probably can make money, I'm sure, and all this stuff. But like the money you want to make, it's no guarantee. Can you make the money you want? Yeah, it's possible. But you have to realize that there is no make money online method that if you start it, you're guaranteed to make $10,000 a month. Guaranteed. No. And that goes when you talk about, because a lot of people shit on like, oh, network marketing or affiliate marketing. You know, oh, that's a scam. Network marketing, that's a scam. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Well, drop shipping businesses are not guaranteed money. eBay is not guaranteed money. Flipping websites is not guaranteed money. Being a freelancer is not guaranteed money, right? So all of this shit right, that can make you a lot of money is not guaranteed. You're going to have to put in that effort. You're going to have that sacrifice, that gambler mentality to be like, yo, I'm going all in on this because of my financial goals. I'm fully aware that this is a risk, but I believe this risk is going to pay off. So I'm going to go hard with this opportunity and I'm going to make it happen. If you want to hit even on the $500 a month, which shouldn't be too difficult, but like I said, that's bare minimum shit. Most people you watching the video, let's be real, you want that $5,000 to $10,000 a month and maybe beyond. Come on. So you got to understand that what kind of effort is going to go into that. And it doesn't matter what you're trying to do, drop shipping, Kindle books, selling those, affiliate marketing, network marketing, eBay, you name it. All of these things that could produce crazy income is going to take a mindset of, I'm going to make this happen, right? Because you think about the end game. You're thinking about, damn, how's my life going to change when I get to $5,000 a month? How my life going to change when I get to $10,000? That is your motivation. That is what's going to drive you to keep pushing and not even be thinking about, what if this don't work, right? It's been 3 months. I haven't made any money yet. So what? Think about your goals, right? That's what keeps me going. That's what keeps me posting YouTube videos and posting Facebook Reels, right? And have still got my blog site and everything, right? Because I'm thinking about the end game, my goals, what I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to make happen. And that's the mindset that you have to have, all right? So when it comes to guaranteed money, yeah, it's online. You can make it happen, but you're not going to make the amount that you truly want to make with guaranteed money. You have to be a little bit of a risk taker and a go-getter to really hit the goals that you want to achieve. And that's just real talk.